Welcome learners to Form 3 Mathematics. I would like us to look at a question here to do with probability, which was tested in KCSE back in 2012, year 2012. Welcome. Let us go through it, learners. We are told that a box contains 3 brown, 9 pink, and 15 white cloth pegs. The pegs are identical except for the color. Find the probability of picking a brown peg. So maybe you can first summarize. We have 3 brown, let me write it like that, 9 pink pegs, and we have 15 white pegs in a box. And then we are told, we are asked to calculate the probability of picking a brown peg. So probability of picking a brown peg is equals to what? So you look at the number of brown pegs, if there are 3 out of the total. What is the total? 3 plus 9 plus 15 gives us 27. So that is the probability of picking a brown peg. Then you can simplify by 3, 1 by 3, 9. So actually it is 1 over 9. There we are. We go to the second. What is the probability of picking a pink or a white peg? Probability of picking a pink or probability of picking a white peg. So we go back here. Pink, there are how many? 9. So the probability of picking a pink one is 9 out of the total, which is 27. Or in probability we replace it with plus. Probability of picking a white are 15. So 15 out of 27 learners. Therefore, this gives us what? Using a calculator, you'll get 24 out of 27. Then you reduce by 3, 8 by 3, 9. So 8 over 9 is the probability of picking a pink or a white peg, learners. We go to part B. Part B, learners. 2 pegs are picked at random, one at a time, without replacement. Look at this. Without replacement. Find the probability that a white peg and a brown peg are picked. That is probability of picking a white and a what? And a brown. It can either be that, or probability of picking a brown and a white without replacement. So what does that mean, learner? At first in the bag, during the first picking, look at this, during the first picking, the total number of pegs are 27. 3 plus 5 plus 3 plus 9 plus 15, 27. So now once you pick one, because you will not replace during the second picking, therefore, during the second picking, the balls will be how many? 27 minus 1, which is 26, okay? So first picking, they are all 27. Second picking, they are 26. So we now go to the question. What is the probability of picking a white and a brown? Maybe I can write this again. 3 brown, 9 pink, 15 white. Let me write it there so that we are able to connect. So, probability of picking a white and a brown. White, here we are 15 over what? 15 over 27. 15 over 27 times what, learner? Times what? We talk of blue and not blue, brown. Brown, there are 3. So 3, brown are 3 out of what? Now that we're in the second picking, it is out of 26. Look at that, learner. They were all 27 first picking, now 26. during the second picking. Or you replace it with a plus. We go brown. Brown, there are 3. 3 out of 27, first picking. Okay, then you multiply by white. White, there are 15 out of what? 26, second picking. There we are. So this gives us 45 over 702. 45 over 702, which gives us what? Which gives us 90 over, 702. 90 over 702. You can reduce this by 18, you'll get 5, by 18, you'll get 39. So, our probability is 5 over 39. There we are, Lana. We go to the Roman 2. What is the probability that both pegs are of the same color? Both pegs are of the same color. So we are talking about probability of the two pegs being brown, or probability that the two are pink, or probability that the two are white, that the pegs are of the same color. So there we are. We go to the brown. Brown, first picking, there will be 3 out of 27. 3 out of 27. Times what, Lana? Picking a brown peg again, there were 3, and once we picked the first one, we did not replace. So we are now remaining with the 2 out of 26. There were 3, we picked 1, and therefore 3 minus 1 is 2 out of the second picking, which is 26. All of them are 26. There we are. We write plus pink. First picking 9. They are 9 over 27. And therefore, picking a pink one again, they are now 8. They are now 8. 9 minus 1, 8 out of 26. We go. White. White, we have 15. So first picking, we'll talk of 15 over 27. Then second picking over white, the whites now will be 14 because you had picked 1 here and you did not replace. So 14 out of 26 balls in the bag. There we are. So we do multiplication. This will be 6 out of 702 plus 72 out of 702 plus what, Lana? This times this will give us 210 out of 702. Adding all this, you should get 288 over 702. And simplifying this, Lana, you will finally end up with 16 out of 39. I hope it is clear, Lana. I hope it is clear. Remember, if brown there were 3 at the beginning, second picking there will be 2 out of 26. If pink were 9 at the beginning, now they are 8 out of 26. The same case applies to white. If there were 15 out of 27, now the white balls are 14. The white pegs are 14 now out of 26. Otherwise, that is a probability question tested in year 2012. Go and practice, learn on probabilities. Thank you. God bless you.